9 3-year-old trotting fillies. For the second OSS Gold Series division, here they come. They're off fan trotting. Sweetie Heart steps forward from the extreme outside of the gate. Down the center, Riveting Rosie coming away quickly. There's Muscle Babe, the favorite, away neatly at the rail from in third. Tosca floats out fourth. Mystical Wishes, fifth one back. Sue, Grab It and Run, lays off the speed from in sixth. Two more lengths back inside, trotting seventh. Mayberry, gapping in the early going. Right on her back rides along Audrey Pearl, and the last one away, Miss Liv. Trotters hit the quarter in 26 and 4. Riveting Rosie, the O'Brien Award winner from last season, found the front from Actonel. Into the pocket spot is Sweetie Hearts from in second. With a rush on the outside comes Tosca, a parked out third. Coming on in second with 3/8 in the books. Tosca still begging for mercy. Riveting Rosie at the inside from in second now. Then it's back third to Sweetie Hearts. Muscle Babe is underway, fourth outside, and the field comes to the midway point. Here is Tosca trying to get by. A 55 and 3 opening half is thrown down. Tosca on the outside could not get by Riveting Rosie. Macdonnell would not release Richie. That's going to send McDonald up 3 wide now as Muscle Babe is coming around. Then it's back fourth towards the inside to Sweetie Hearts. Picking up cover outside from in fifth as the field makes its way up towards three quarters. That's Mystical Wishes. Riveting Rosie confronted now by Muscle Babe, and these two talented fillies get it on at three quarters. Riveting Rosie at the rail. Muscle Babe alongside. Third panel, 124 and 2, and as they come into the stretch to the front now comes Muscle Babe. Riveting Rosie is given way. Sweetie Hearts is right there from in third as they travel to the 7/8 pole, and it's Muscle Babe on top now. The lead 4 lengths, and the further they go, the more that Muscle Babe is going to win by. Another dazzling display of speed here as Muscle Babe is going to win tonight's Ontario Sire Stakes Gold second division, and she won it by 6 lengths. Coming on to get second on the far outside was Miss Liv. Muscle Babe in 153 and 3. Seventh race numbers. Winner was the 2 Muscle Babe, second the 8 Miss Liv. Finishing third, Riveting Rosie the 6. There's Muscle Babe. 3-year-old muscle mass filly out of the Balanced Image mare, Oakley Odessa. Homebred owned by Shell Magna Anderson of Oslo, Norway.
A new career best, Muscle Babe, 153 and 3 to take the second of 2 Ontario Sire Stakes Gold divisions, a purse of $105,000. Driver James McDonald, 3 wide a little early. You had to go.
Yeah, it looked like Trevor was going to clear, and I'd started up to edge off around his wheel, and then Paul's horse was able to drive back through, and I just had to call an audible there. It wasn't stop her up or go, and she's so good, so yeah. She overcame it.
She was a heavy favorite. Did you have a game plan coming in?
Honestly, I just wanted to take care of her, and try and give her an easy trip, and I got the complete exact opposite. But when you're racing for $105,000, there's no gimmies. They're all racing to win, and but she's a good horse.
She captured the SBOA final just 2 weeks ago. Any difference from last week to this week?
No, not really. I mean, actually, for a horse that left 26 and 4 last week, she was actually quiet this week. She'd let me do whatever I wanted. She'd let me get away 8th if I wanted to. So she's perfect to drive, and yeah.
Okay. Congratulations.
All right. Thank you very much.
James McDonald and Muscle Babe captured the second of 2 Ontario Sire Stakes gold divisions here at Mohawk.